Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your BioSponge or BioSponge Plus into your filter. Notice that the writing on this is facing you. All you do is place it over the filter so the writing is up and you tuck it in. But you should replace it every 2 months. They're also good for allergies or any other type of airborne sickness you can get. It catches a lot of germs, lots of dust. Personally, I think it's the best. And it only took me about 30 seconds to put this in. And that's how you put it in. And when you roll it out, take the ends and roll it towards you. Don't let the filter